lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
for everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss for everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss for everything. Yeah, boss for everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, let's talk about this real quick. What does it take to be considered, well really, I don't want to just say success, I want to say this, because I think that everybody watching this is hyper intelligent. That's why it's called smart rapper, right? I think that all of you would have no problem being considered a top, let's say a top 100 artist of all time, top 50, top 10. When you like that, I mean, I would love that. That's one of my goals, to be a top artist of all time. But I want to talk about in this video, the one thing that it takes, the one singular thing. It's weird, singulars are weird. I don't ever say single. The one single thing, it is singular. The one goal. I want to talk about the one single thing that it actually takes more than anything else in order to see any level of success, but especially to get to a level of being a top artist of all time. And that single most important thing is belief. You've heard it a million times, but I want you to be reminded and be inspired by this. Nobody is ever going to believe that you're going to be where you want to be.
Nobody. Who you gonna call?
And once you already make it, once you're already a star, the only way you're going to make it to superstar is by believing even further that you can go further instead of just like stopping, right? And then after that, the next level is believing that you're gonna do everything that it takes to get to the next thing. Everything in life as a human.
What type of car this is?
McLaren.
Man, this bitch fast, man. Well, you lit, bro.
Yeah, I'm working right now.
Oh, man.
I'm always working.
Hey, well, hey. Hey, man.
Hey, you too. Enjoy your vacation out here. It's a really good time. You need to. You should move out here. It's a really good time right now for you to be here.
Yeah,
with the weather. All right, y'all. Well, enjoy it. You should move out here. Yeah. You should take the chance to change everything for you. The thing as humans that drives us more than anything that keeps us going is hopefulness, which is hope and belief. Hope, damn near the same word. Hoping you can do something. You can't hope without believing that you could. That hope is gonna happen, right? Hope and belief, my friend. Hope and belief. You gotta hope it's gonna happen. You have to have the hope that whatever it is. And you know, I'll tell you right now, it don't matter. Anything you set your mind to, you heard it a billion times. You can do it. Anything.
5 minutes later.
You smart rapper.
That's me. I'm shooting a smart rapper video.
I watch you on YouTube every day. I do too, man. Oh, my mama, bro. All right.
Sit your ass down, man.
No, you know what?
I watch you on YouTube every day.
You know what's so funny? Look, yeah, I'm shooting one right now.
Bro, listen, on everything, I watch you every day. I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. Like, the shit that you be talking about, bro, I listen to it every day, man. I just listened to you last night. So
Yeah.
it ain't nothing but a blessing.
You know what's funny? This is the funniest shit ever. This is happening because I sat down with an artist. I saw him at a different Starbucks, and he's asking me what I do, and I told him.
I know who you was.
Yeah.
Especially when I seen that. Cause I said something made me turn around and said, bro, this man remind me of Raw Level. I swear to God.
He said,
And then I looked at the back of your shit and said Raw Level.
Yeah.
I love you, man.
Yeah.
Blessed to be here, bro.
Yeah, no, but I want to say this because what I was saying about the other person is people come here and within, I'm talking about, it's always within a 3-week period of time that they're here, that they run into me, and then I tell them to move here. Or some people are like, I moved here because of you all the time. So the fact that you said you wanted to move here was like crazy because in my mind I was like, there was like a weird like vibe right there. It was a good, cool vibe. You need to be here, man.
I watch you on YouTube. I'm not telling you this to make you feel.
No, I mean I can tell from your energy. I can tell. I can tell it.
Yeah. I'm an artist.
Right.
So I'm trying to manifest it, and this just like gave me a clearance.
It's a sign. It's a sign, right?
Yeah,
it's a sign.
Through the clearance,
absolutely,
it's gonna come true.
Because
I watch you on YouTube, bro.
But you gotta remember.
And I love you and keep doing what you're doing, bro. Cause you help a lot of people out here, bro. Just cause writer's block, that's real.
All of it.
Yes, it's real. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you, bro.
Hey.
For real, man. Just to meet you, bro. I'm gonna leave you alone and let you do your thing, man. But God bless you, man. I'm gonna come in on one of your things. And you might not know who I am, but I'm gonna just say
What's your name? What's your name?
Printez Hamilton.
Printez Hamilton.
Printez Hamilton. Luther.
Tell him your
Printez Hamilton. I don't got no social media right now because I'm starting. I'm getting myself up.
People like that too, because
I've been doing it forever though.
But you gotta take those steps. Literally, the video I'm shooting.
Believe in yourself.
The video I'm shooting is about believing in yourself.
Hey man, I watch you every day, bro. That's on everything, bro. It's amazing, bro, to see you, bro.
Right. Well, I was gonna say, man. You don't have no music out yet?
Yeah, I got a lot of music.
Well, tell them your Spotify.
I don't have that yet. I'm from the country.
He's making excuses, but it's okay. We all do that. I did it for years.
I got music.
But it is.
How they can go listen
But I
to
made
you
this.
right
I did the
now?
same thing. I made all those excuses too, man. That's what I'm saying.
mad.
I lived the
I
video
ain't
before
mad.
this was about making excuses. I do it. I'm doing it too. I make excuses every day about certain things.
You better tell them audio
But you gotta make the next move, man.
Oh my God,
You,
audio-
you shouldn't move here if you're not gonna. If you're not gonna do everything else.
This is my life. To do music, I do it all the time.
You need to, it's gotta be understood. It's more than music.
Yeah, it's all the marketing and all
It's
that.
all that. It's a business.
Yeah.
You're a business. You're a brand.
Fans, I listen to you. You tell me this all the time. Now you telling me this in person.
But Dad, you gotta take it as a sign.
That's what they want.
This right here.
Click on it and you can go to his thing.
I recorded that myself. Laptop. Oh God, man. Oh man.
If you want to check that out right there. Where's it at? What is that?
Audio Mac.
I
Oh,
made
that's
all
Audio
that.
Mac.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm about to say that looks like Audio Mac. I've only been on Audio Mac like 3 or 4 times.
I gotta start. You know, it always you gotta start.
You
from
got to
the
start,
bottom
but you
before
got. But what you need to start doing is, and again, I do this every day, so it's nothing against you. You got to start not making excuses.
Facts, so just
I'm
do it.
telling you, because like that's the only thing that should hold me back. I'm always like, oh, I got to build Smart Rapper. I can't focus on my music. I got to build Smart Rapper. I can't focus. I'm telling you, the moment that you decide, the amount of the weight that we taking off your shoulder, because you know, I bet you feel that this, and I still got this. Every artist has this until you really make it, and that is you have this feeling inside of unfulfillment. You're like you don't feel whole, even though you're working on music. Not making it is not being successful at it is not what makes you feel unfulfilled. What makes you feel unfulfilled is that you don't actually feel you have a passion to do it, but you don't do it enough because it's hard to believe when you don't see the success. Basically, I'm saying that so that the moment that you start working on music full time, even just creating music, whether or not you're marketing it, you will feel fulfilled. If you're making music every day, knowing there's an end goal instead of being like, I'm afraid it's not gonna happen for me, so I'm not gonna work on music. That's what's happening deep down.
It's so amazing. I'm hearing your voice in person. That is so like mind blowing, man. That's so mind blowing, man. For real.
I think this happened for a reason, and I want you to think about this every time. You need to make music. You need to make an Instagram today.
I'm gonna do that today once I go back.
I'm assuming that you don't have your own home studio.
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, because like that other guy I ran into, got a gang of songs, he got them up, but he don't have a studio. He was
I
from North
record myself
Carolina.
almost every day.
If you have a home studio, ain't no excuse because you got the tools you need to create.
I'm on a step of believing in myself.
Well,
The confidence.
do this. It is about the confidence.
Yes.
It's a level about the confidence.
And you got somebody in you that believes in you.
Yeah, because I want to drop his
Bro, I just met you. I know I'm gonna make it.
Think about that, because like you got somebody like this right next to you that's like, you gotta drop this.
Damn, I would've never
That's
met you.
hard.
Man, I'm telling you, you would have never met him.
It ain't nothing but a
Look,
blessing,
he just-
man.
He just put your spirits through the roof. He just made you go.
So you need to take this. Don't waste it.
I'm
Really
leaving
though,
you
take
alone.
this energy, because I believe it's always about reciprocation, right? As I give energy to everybody, and then that energy comes back to me tenfold, right? So take this energy. I'm giving you energy right now. I'm putting all it, and I'm powerful because I've helped so many people. That's how I see it, right? I'm like a shining light, and now you've filled with light too, but you can't let that light dim. Bars. So you need to take this interaction and be passionate and keep it. Don't let it dim. So every day that you work, you're gonna keep that light going. Okay? You gotta keep it lit.
Stay here. It's just like you. This is.
He just sat here.
That's what I do, man.
Hey man, keep doing it, man. You're a blessing.
I want you to do me a favor, because this is what's great about having somebody hype you up, is now I want to hear his shit, but I want to hear some stuff. I want you to send me your best songs. I want to hear that shit. Look at her.
That's gonna make you do this. Telling you, you gonna do this.
I want to. I need new music, man. Everything out right now is garbage.
I'm just like, you get to sit there and you get to judge it
I
by
ain't gonna
yourself
disappoint
when
you,
the
though.
world can
I don't think you are, but that's good though, because that means whatever you're gonna do it with even more tenacity, because you're gonna be like, I really gotta like, this gotta be crazy. Because if you give me a song before I release this video and it's gas, I'll put it in the video. But I mean, this video you probably got like a month, and I give you the email, right?
Man, you be safe and you be blessed, man.
You too.
Keep doing what you're doing,
How-
because you're a blessing to a lot of people.
Man.
Seriously, even if I wouldn't have
I
met you
just want to
today.
shake your hand because for you to be so cool and not arrogant.
Oh, so sorry. My
Sorry.
bad. No, you fine. I didn't want to hurt your arm.
No, I didn't want to mess
Oh,
with your
yeah,
window.
yeah, just the window.
For you to be just so cool and laid back how you was, just to talk to people instead of being stuck up. When you put out love, you get love. So
Right, you can tell from my videos, but I was put here for this. I went through all that struggle. Like Nova did that, so hopefully you won't have to go through that. Because my old artist name is Nova. I was playing.
You be blessed, man.
You be blessed. You're already blessed. I'm already blessed. Keep remembering that. All right, there you go. Now, what you're not seeing, and this could go back to the video where people don't see all the things that go on in the background, is this happens every single day.
to this day.
It happened yesterday. Anytime I go out, this happens. They're from the middle of Georgia, not Atlanta, Georgia. He said specifically, I'm from the country, and that's why I keep doing these videos. His reaction, I truly helped him. He believes in himself. He has a really great energy. He's somebody next to him who believes in him. He might not have music out yet, but he needed a push, and I think that that's the reason why he ran into me today. And I just feel, so fulfilled right now. Like my day I didn't feel like my day was great, but I could go to sleep right now, sleep for the rest of the day, and feel like I did something great today. Because the way that he felt inspired when he walked away, I fucking love it. Like, that's why I do it, man. Seriously, I love helping people. I love people that like helping themselves. That amount of energy, man, there's nothing like it. Anyway, I don't even remember what we were talking about. Belief in yourself. This video was about belief. And remember that the belief in yourself can come from a lot of places. Like I just did right there. And he knew it was belief. He said it. And then I gave him more hope. I gave him more belief by letting him know that he can believe in himself and that things happen for a reason. You can be re-inspired and reinvigorated to do stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? To have that belief in yourself, that's gonna keep him going for months, right? Because once you see something, you see a sign, you see something as a sign or something happening for a reason, which I always see everything happens for a reason. That's how I look at stuff. You'll be able to have more belief, but you gotta be on the lookout. Your mind has to be open to those circumstances and start framing things, even if they're bad, see them as things that are gonna help you. And a great example, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I'll make another video on that. Things are gonna happen where, you know, I'll say in this video real quick, but I did some and I thought that I was gonna be on house arrest for a year. So in my mind, I started like priming everything to be on house arrest. I'm like, it's okay. I could be on house arrest because now I can focus on my music. Like you see it as a blessing. But most people are like, house arrest? Oh man, you can only go to work and come back. You can only go to work and come back. You gotta, the amount of money it costs to be on house arrest. Oh, right? So that would massively hurt my ability to buy music equipment. But at the same time, seeing it as a blessing, because now I can be, well, there's no excuse not to work on my music. I'm home all day, right? That's how you gotta look at it. But anyway, I'll make another video about that and talk about that more, but you already know, it's about belief. So you just gotta keep believing in yourself. You can't let anybody not believe in you. And you know what? Beautiful example, find somebody else who believes in you. And that was hard. That's hard. I never had somebody like that. She was like, he's gas, he's gas, you gotta release it. I've never had somebody around me that was telling other people that. I'm almost, it's like a form of jealousy, but it's also like a form of happiness for him. Because to have somebody like that, she was like, man, you gotta hear this. He is gas, he is so good, you're gonna be dancing to. I was like, but she kept saying it. She didn't say it once to like hype him up. I could see in her face that she really meant it. And when you find somebody like that, that's gonna help you believe. So share things with people that are close to you, make them believe in you like that, and they're gonna help you keep going. Because having a team of people, having a what's considered like a mastermind group of everybody who have a like-mindedness as you, when all those people come together, you help each other, you push each other, and you can work and grow faster. I wish I had somebody like that. I wish I had somebody like that. I really do. Anyway, I almost told him about the music industry shortcut launching, because I'm like, well, if you're in the beginning of that and you really want to get all your stuff, you know, I made the price, because everybody was talking about prices, we restructured it, we added way more, the community, the things that you're able to get inside of it. I made the price, what is that? I guess that is like, it's six to 7 times cheaper than it was before, right? But the way it's broken up, you know, there's also the higher price tiers where you can get on calls with me and stuff like that, which make it fair to people that are in it. It took the last 3 years of what we've learned since the shortcut had launched, took everybody's notes, took everything that we wanted to do, make it even better, made it, rebuilt it completely. All I'm saying is, I wish that I had it, and I would definitely pay the $9 that it costs to be in it. I'll tell you that right now, $9. You can't really beat that. What up?
Watch your stuff, bro.
Yeah? Hell yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Advice, bro. Thank you.
Hey, man, no problem, man. Have a great day, man. There's 2 times in the same video. So I'm just telling you, those weren't the only 2 times that people said thank you since I've been sitting here. I changed the lives of a lot of people. That's what gives me belief. Anyway, shortcut, I'm getting distracted. There's so many people, stuff like that. Anyway, music industry shortcut, that's relaunching. Maybe out by the time you see this video. Either way, keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top. Just keep believing in yourself. Find somebody who's gonna believe in you, all right? It'll change everything for you.